welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charmaine, and in today's video I'm gonna show you the things that I got for Christmas. Now I know it might be a little late to show you, but if you're nosy like me, you won't mind that, you know, it's a little bit late, you know, Christmas has passed, but whatever. I'm gonna show you what I got. I got these sweatpants. I don't have a lot of sweatpants, so I got this from my dad. He also got me a bottle of Baileys. I freaking love Baileys, okay? Then he got me these. It's 2 Japanese cherry blossom lotions and a shower gel. I just absolutely love this scent. These are like signature scents, okay? Staples. You need it in your collection. It smells absolutely delicious. I had to be careful though, because one time I put a little bit too much on and then it kind of broke me out, so I gotta be careful with this. Then from my little sister, yo, she went to town on me, man. Like, she got me so many things. She's so cute. She got me these boots. They are freaking hot, y'all. Look at that. They're a little bit snug on my feet, like right here, so I don't know, I'm gonna have to try and like break them in or something, because these are just too cute. She knows I like to smell good, so she gave me this, what is it? Pamplemousse Thyme? Pamplemousse Thyme and Grapefruit Thyme. It's a shower gel and then a lotion in mango. I love mango. Then she got me a whole bunch of purses because she knows I'm trying to like step up my purse game here, okay? She's always complaining that I always just have big purses, so she's trying to get me some smaller purses. This is super cute. And then this one here. Now these ones I really love. I mean, I love them all, but these ones I really love. This is a Guess clutch. Oh, I love the color. Look at how cute this is. It's another Guess bag. Look, it's so tiny.
By the time I got around to editing the video, another surprise from my sister came in the mail. It is absolutely beautiful. It's a Mademoiselle lipstick in the shade Candy Venom. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to try this.
My brother's girlfriend. So cute. I guess she knows that I like to smell good too. She got me these. This is the Sleepy Shower Gel from Lush. And then this is the Sleepy Body Lotion as well. And then for my brother, his gift is on the way, actually. So by the time I get it, this video would have already been recorded. So I'll just insert a picture. It's the Violet Voss palette and then a Fenty lipstick.
The palette shortly arrived after filming, so there it is. Look at the beautiful shadows. Look at that. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Look at those purples. Purple is my favorite shadow to wear. And there is the Poutsicle in the color Perpsicle. So pretty.
Now my mom got me this spray. It's from Bath & Body Works and it's called You're the One. It smells delicious, you guys. I wish you could smell it. If you have it, let me know your thoughts on this. It's absolutely beautiful. She also got me a little travel size one too. And listen, I'm 41 years old and she still makes me a stocking. Like, I still demand a stocking at my age, okay? I'll always want a stocking. Even when I'm like 60 years old, I'm still gonna want one. So she always gets me a stocking and like fills it up with stuff. I like calendars. I'm a little bit old school. I like to write things down and hang it up. Then she got me some socks as well and a sports bra. It's so nice. Scarf. And y'all, I've been looking for these. Like, you know when you open like something like a bag of chips or whatever, and yeah, you have nothing to tie it with? Like, these are the best to clip things, so keep it fresh. Oh, I absolutely love them. It's all different sizes. And then a lip lacquer from e.l.f. She knows I love sweets, so some chocolates. a chili tumbler so I can keep my water cold. I love water. That's all that I drink. It's good for the skin. Mama really hooked me up. She got me a winter jacket. It's down-filled, it's warm, it's waterproof, it has a hood that detaches as well. I absolutely love it. Thank you, Mummykins. And I have the most amazing team at work. My manager gave me this cute ornament. They know that I love sparkly things and glitter. My chief gave me this, all different types of tea with a stainless steel infuser. And from one of my dear friends, she gave me this mug. It has Oreo cookies as well, and the mug says all you need is love and chocolate. Hell yes. And it's vanilla flavored hot cocoa gift set. Super cute. I love tea and hot chocolate. This couldn't have come at a better time. It's a book of blessings. Like, it is absolutely beautiful, you guys. Like, I can't wait to start reading this because listen, I haven't been in a good headspace at all, so this is like perfect timing. That's everything to my video. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. Let me know what you got for Christmas. Yeah, Christmas is past and whatnot. We're in a new year, but whatever, I'd still like to know anyways. Thanks for watching, lovelies, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.